Hello everyone, we will take green material cloth. It'll be of a satiny silky material. Starting from the top, make these puffy sleeves and then make multiple folds in the top sweetheart neckline portion of it. Now once you're done with this, use pins in order to fasten it in its place and then make sure that the sleeves are an equal length. As for the top, make a V-shaped cut and then insert the rest of the top onto it. Now add the skirt to it. Before you do so, add a little base so that the skirt becomes puffier. We have added a golden center belt to it in order to make it look all the more better and tie the entire look together. Next, we will take a dark maroon cloth and then make a slit directly through the center as such. Make the waist portion of it and then the top will be a heart shape. Add little pearls in order to make the sleeve for one of the sides. As for the center, make a little bow shape out of some more cloth. Add pearls to the center of this as well. Now it should look like a bow. As for the bottom, add another long skirt to it as such. Make sure that it fits tightly around the waist and then make multiple folds onto it. Make a diagonal cut right through the base as such. This will be the final look of our dress. Afterwards, make sure that it is flowy. Next, we will start off by taking a rectangular piece of green cloth as such. Join it together in the center in order to make it look like a bow. Take another piece of cloth, add it on top of this, and then begin to make frills out of this piece of cloth. Use pins in order to fasten it in its place and then cut off the excess. Once you are done with this, take a long skirt and then fasten it in its place at the base. Take multiple pearls and then add it all around the top of your dress. Now, as for the bottom, cut it in a V shape, however, make the sides shorter than the center. Next, we will take a pink cloth, add layers to it and make multiple frills out of only the top to begin with. It should look like this. The layers are what should add the depth to it. Now add layers to the skirt as well in order to make it look all the more puffier. Make layers out of multiple strips of cloth. Make folds out of them as well to make it look all the more better and add volume to them. We've also added flowers. Next, take some blue cloth and then make this V shape at the top. Now join them together in the center, make folds in the center and join them as such. Keep making layers to them and then make it into a V-shaped zigzag cut. Join one on top of the other as such and then cut off the excess portions at the base. Once you are done with making all of these folds, make a skirt at the bottom, join it at the center, make multiple frills at the center as such. Add a blue belt to the center and make the center shorter than the sides as such. Make sure that there are multiple folds in the center in order to add more volume and flow to it. Next, we will take a green cloth and then firstly put it straight across the chest. Now for a second piece, take a rectangular piece, join it in the center. Now it should look like a bow. Add pearls to the center portion of this and then add a long skirt to it. Taking the extension of the pearls, drape it along the sides as such. Thank you for watching.